Welcome to how to install Copilot tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to install Copilot in your PC. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first, you need to click on your start menu and then search for settings and click on it. And from here, you can actually go to Windows Update. And in the Windows Update, actually you'll see a lot of updates that you haven't done. If you already updated, you're good to go. But if you didn't, just click on Update All and then Restart. As you see here, you can click on Restart after the update is done. Then, if you already did that, you can go from here to Personalization and then go to Taskbar Settings. And from here you will see Copilot. You can click on. If you turned it off, just keep it on. And then from here you can click on Start and you will see Copilot in the right down corner. Just click on it and it will open. So Copilot here have a lot of features that you can use as an AI, but actually it is just a preview. So it will get feedback from you after you try it, and then they will try to improve the app. So if you want to get Copilot in your phone, you can click on here and then scan this QR code from your phone. Also, if you want to get Copilot Pro, you can click on here. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.